Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another way to unlock the screen pattern password on your Samsung A16. As you can see here, it's locked. That means it's locked. You can see that it's asking you to enter the PIN or any other password the person set up the screen pattern. So remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. I want to give you a tip here. In some cases, maybe even yours, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer so it can enter recovery mode, which I'll show you in just a moment. Then you'll go to the unlock option. So some devices need the cable, others don't. In a moment, I'll talk about how you can remove the Google account from this device or any other model if needed. Alright? So, you can leave it on the screen where it's asking for the PIN, or on the emergency screen, which is where I usually leave it for us to unlock the password here. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button together. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so it will be easier for you to do it there and manage to unlock your phone, alright? So, on this screen, as I said, hold volume down and power until the device restarts. Let's wait for it to finish restarting. Keep holding. Now release the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button. And keep holding up there. It's not when it flashes. I released it when it flashed, let's see if it works. Keep holding the volume up button, just like we said. There, it worked. Because I didn't let go completely. As soon as it flashed, I pressed it again to keep going. That's why it entered the recovery mode screen. You can try it out, okay? No problem. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll answer you. And now that we've reached this screen, I want to give you another tip. This procedure will also work for other Samsung models, okay? In a moment, we'll talk about the Google account. First, we're going to remove this screen lock password. On this screen, we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, where it says Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button. On the next screen, scroll down with the volume down button and confirm again with the power button. Let's wait for it to finish. On this next screen, confirm with the power button. And now your device is being unlocked, formatted, and restored. If you need to unlock the Google account on your device, our number will be in the description. And it doesn't matter where you're contacting us from, we can do this unlocking remotely, alright? That was today's video. Thanks, take care.